Animal. Bearing arms.
It means that much to me, you know. It's the same as having my kids' names on the other leg. You know, they mean so much to me as well.
Gridlock.
About a doll. It's not the doll. His kid is missing.
She disappeared. She had a doll with her, and now it's in the backseat of his car. It's my doll.
Heartbreak.
I'll never catcall. I'll treat and respect and help to create an Ireland that will stand in awe of all Manaw.
Look,
Lily.
we all have scars. Some are physical, some are spiritual. You can choose to cover them up or you can wear them with pride. Like battle scars.
Terminal.
There's things I want to do. I want to go to college.
No. You did nothing wrong. It happens.